I'll go ahead and get into the video. I call this the strawberry chocolate look. I just messed it up. Okay, so this is the chocolate covered strawberries look. If you want to see a little get ready with me for Valentine's Day, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so let's get into it. Being that this is not a tutorial, I will not be talking throughout the whole video. So, yeah, keep on watching. So we will be using the matte book by the crayon case in order to get this look. I will be using the brick red shade as well as the brown to get the eye look.